outdoors. If you like this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like, and I'll have a lot more adventures for you. Thank you. Oh, Daisy here. She's getting a little excited about my fishing post here. You ready to go fishing, Daisy? Are you? Are you ready? Let's go fishing. Corbin and I are out here fishing. So my plan is trying to catch the first fish before he does. Let's see if it will happen. See who will be the first one to catch the fish. We'll find out. Let's see. The challenge has been taken. Which one will get the first fish? We're at this lake out here by Ornament Lake. They got a pond, state park pond, not too far from the lake itself. So we're just trying it out. I mean, I went out here fishing with a couple of other friends and Dave and his grandson, and we caught a few bass out here. Got out here a little later in the morning. Then should have been out here a lot earlier, so that could have messed up our fishing. We'll find out. Oh, you snapping turtle. Get out of there. With the sun beating down, it's getting a little... I'm going to have to be through the shaded area. Might be where they're at. It's just staying cool. Oh yeah, right, it's a lot better. Let's see what happened here. Just for fun, he's kind of want to fish there. I'm gonna just mess with him. Be funny if I caught something right there. Yes, yes. Oh, it's a good one. Woohoo! Caught the first fish. Easy, little one, easy. That barely got in his mouth. All right, first day of fish. Woohoo! Got the first one. All right, time to let him go. That's like right here, and I thought I had him in. I missed a bass right here. Got him. Yes. No, no, no. Yes, I got him. I still got him. Woohoo! Nah, about same size, 13 inches. Hmm? The bass, of course. They're big, nice, decent bass, 13 inches.
That was nice. You think that one's 13?
About the same as the one I caught. There it is. Measure him, he's 14 inches. Not bad. So I would want to go ahead and take a picture for Facebook and for the oh, somebody messaged me. I'll find out here in a little bit. And Fish Brain. There we go. Woo, look at my ugly face there. Scary, isn't it? Oh no. All right. Time to release the fish back in the lake. Actually, this is a large pond, but good enough. We'll just call what it is. All right. There we go. They catch this one right in here. There's one in here, a good size one. It may not be in there today, but it was there a few weeks ago.
There we go.
Plus the wind is blowing, it's kind of hard to get where you want to be at. Oh, reel up quick. You lost the pole. Yeah, I always forget to buy a rubber band to get that thing fixed. Oh, he got it and it came off. Unless he could grab it before getting in the water. Can you grab it before going in the water? Yeah, he did it. Woohoo! There you go, Corbin. There's a little fish. All right.
Well, he's a keeper.
What? See a wasp?
Look behind.
Oh, a snake. Hey, you. What do you want to do? Get on out of here.
That might be a poisonous one.
He probably wants your bass. All right, we got it. That's not what I wanted. No, you little turkey. It jumped. When it jumped, I lost it. Let's see if you'll want to try it. Come on, let's see what you got. Come on, little fishy. Come on. He jumped out in the water and spit the hook back in my face.
I saw him flop on the water, that's all I saw.
That's when he jumped off the hook. I was just skimming through the water, kind of keep it up high, a little fast, just to get something different for the fish. Right about here where I had one hit me. He didn't want to hit it this time. Sometimes you got to do something different with your lure when you play around. Sometimes you do normal, like that. The wind is blowing hard, so I can't really get where I want to be, because I want to skim. When I say skim, I skim on top of the water with this lure, just like that. Kind of go a little fast, kind of a little bounce around, give it a little tension. There's a lot of time you gotta get strike. Let me see if I could do it this way on this side. Well, now I'm deep, so I gotta go deep. So the wind keep blowing the way I want to throw it at. Here, let me try it again. Get a better angle for skimming. There you go. And get it up higher. Raise your pole and skim a little bit right on the edge. Try and get attention to any fish in those weeds. But this one hit it and just didn't want to mess with it after one hit. Now I'm out here at the river, there by Osawatomie. This is where they do paddle fish during the March and April. So I'm gonna give it a whirl here, see what happened. Kind of get it here underneath the sun. See what happened. So he had a fish on his lure. He was casting out there. I just didn't get this on quick enough. He about caught something up there.